Hi! Are you looking for a fun, unique meal that you can take camping? Well, stay tuned. Okay, so today I'm going to show you a quick, easy tinfoil dinner that we call salsa chicken. So the one thing about this is it's only 5 ingredients, so it comes together real quick, and because it's a tinfoil dinner, you can do all the prep work before you even leave to go camping, which is definitely a plus. Anybody that knows me knows I'm all about quick and easy. So here we go. Okay, so to start out, you want to start with your heavy-duty aluminum foil. Now, this is our secret. Heavy-duty foil will help it so that you don't get those holes. Go ahead and take your tin foil. Once again, keep the shiny side facing up. We're going to go ahead and add a little bit of cooking spray, and we'll start with our meat. Got the chicken. And we'll do a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and onion flakes. Okay, so let's start with the corn. Okay, I'm already getting hungry. Some black beans. Now go ahead, you can use different kinds of beans if your family doesn't like black, pinto, or whatever you'd like. Now this is an option. I love tomatoes, so I tend to add extra tomatoes, even though the salsa that we'll put on next has the tomatoes. But like I say, I like tomatoes. And this is called salsa chicken because here we go with the salsa. Okay, add our salsa, and voila, that looks delicious. So we're ready to fold. Once again, you're going to pull both sides up, meet them in the middle, fold down once, fold down twice, make a good even crease, and then fold that over. You're going for a flat kind of burrito type shape. Here we go. We're going to fold the ends up good. You don't want any of that to seep out. And 1, 2, we'll give it a third. Okay, so there's our packet. Now, we always do it twice to make sure that no holes happen. So we've laid it upside down, pull the edges up, give it a good crease once, another crease, and then fold that down nice and flat. Bring it in on the ends, make that good so it doesn't seep out. And we're going to do that, just that many times. And there you go. You've got salsa chicken. I can't wait to show you what this turns out like. Let's go ahead and see what we've got. It's definitely hot. Watch out for the steam when you're opening these up because they are hot. And so there you go. It looks very juicy. So the foil does keep that moisture in nicely. Now what I like to do is go ahead, add a little lettuce. Got some fresh avocados. And you can't do without a dab of sour cream. And then my secret is I like to crunch a couple of chips on top. So there you have it, salsa chicken. Oh, it looks delicious. Thanks for joining us today when we made salsa chicken. I think you'll really enjoy it. If you liked what you saw today, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. We would love for you to come along and follow us while we put out new recipes and tips and tricks that will help make your adventure a little bit more enjoyable and a little bit more fun. So from Let's Go Now Adventures, we'll see you next time.